How to customize your DOLA Pro with a lateral plantar grind. A lateral plantar grind is the reduction in lateral orthotic support and can be applied to the anterior, posterior, or full arch areas. In this video, we will show you how to complete a mild lateral plantar grind of the full arch in clinic. A plantar grind requires 4 landmarks connected by curves to indicate your grinding lines. Step 1. Mark the anterior or distal point of the grind. This will commonly be a point behind the 5th MPJ at the distal lateral arch. Step 2. Mark the posterior or proximal point of the grind. This is commonly at the point of the maximum heel cup width at the proximal lateral arch. Step 3. Mark the plantar center point of the grind. This point determines the shape or aggressiveness of the grind of the plantar surface. This point can be customized for shoe fit or reduction in control. Step 4. Mark the lateral center point of the grind. This point determines the aggressiveness of the lateral support grind. The more material removed from the lateral arch reinforcement, the greater the reduction in control. Step 5. Connect the lateral and plantar center points to the distal and proximal points in a smooth curve. You now have your lateral plantar grind area marked and guidelines for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material in your lateral grind area between your 2 guidelines. Hold the orthotic shell on the dorsal and plantar surfaces. Place the edge of your orthotic shell under the lateral longitudinal arch against the grinder. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress against your guidelines. A mild grind will keep the majority of the lateral reinforcement in place, and an aggressive grind will remove more lateral reinforcement, reduce the size of your flat plantar surface, and reduce the orthotic control. A full sweep of the edge against the grinder will ensure a smooth and even finish of the full arch. For an anterior grind, remove material from the anterior half of the arch. For a posterior grind, remove material from the posterior half of the arch. A lateral plantar grind is used to increase the flexibility of the device, reduce the lateral orthotic control by reducing the lateral arch reinforcement and the size of the flat plantar surface, and it can be used in aiding footwear fit including football boots, cycling cleats, ski boots, dress shoes, high heels, street shoes, and narrow-waisted sport shoes. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Lite are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolaorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.